We're trying to save some of the farms, although we might have to do some replanting of seeds and start over. But lessons are learned there.
Never said I told you so, yeah.
I don't think that's the lesson, Swan.
That's the lesson that you learned. I told you so.
No, the lesson is, even when you get knocked down, you got to get back up. Fight another fight. Plant another seed. How'd that go? Morning. How's the greasy hair go? The greasy hair look? Fresh out of the shower, only not look? Yeah. Whoo! Welcome to day 3 of no electricity. Junior, good luck. They found games on their iPads like pool that don't require the internet. How their iPad still has battery life, I don't know. Dave's back to his breakfast specialty, moderation. I know. And if you look behind them, yeah, there's some wet clothes. Some of them had a good time in the rain yesterday. When you can't get out to the touristy sites and there's... You okay? Okay. Yeah, they decided to bring the fun to the house, and we had some more rain, go figure, yesterday, and they frolicked. You know what, you guys frolicked? Yeah, you frolicked up and down? In the rain. It's quite entertaining. So the coffee's hot because of the stove and it's gas, thankfully. And we're still going strong. No Wi-Fi, so hopefully this video comes out relatively soon, but no power, no Wi-Fi. We have a fun strategy of how to charge our devices. So yesterday, we decided we were going to go try to take a little bit of an adventure for a couple of reasons. First of all, the car has AC, so I'm going to, enjoy that for a few minutes. But also, we decided to go back to the beach next to James Bond Beach, Fisherman's Beach, just to see how it stayed. And let's just say it was not a pretty sight. But in our travels, we had the ability to charge our devices in the car with the USB ports that the car provides. And so it was kind of a win-win afternoon. So an air-conditioned car ride around north side of the island, and got to charge the devices so we can at least record. Can't upload any videos yet, but hopefully they'll be up soon, and you'll be watching this, and we'll be watching this, and all will be one with the universe. As the pigeons fly away. Good morning, puppy. How you doing? I see you. Son, you good? Huh? You good?
Yeah, kind of.
All right.
I'm sorry. Not really good. Our life, so life is good.
That's deep, dear.
Yep, very deep. When I wake up and see the next morning, I say, thanks be to God.
So not sure how long the battery life's going to last on the phone, but we'll give you guys a update on the backyard. As you saw, it not looking the greatest. We're trying to save some of the farms, although we might have to do some replanting of seeds and start over. But lessons are learned there.
Never said I told you so, yeah.
I don't think that's the lesson, Swan.
That's the lesson that you learned. I told you so.
No, the lesson is, even when you get knocked down, you got to get back up. Fight another fight. Plant another seed. How'd that go? Okay, we're gonna go. Yeah. Morning, puppy.
Morning, Dave. Hope you have a wonderful night.
Again?
Yes, you shot. If you don't do it in a certain amount of time, it switches over to the other player. I'm coming. Man, you think after a hurricane, rain would stop? Nope, just keeps going. Even the rainwater tanks are full. I'm coming. Yeah, there lies the plantain tree, man. Good thing we took it when we did. Good morning. I'm coming. When you guys want to go out and play in the rain, everybody's good. Fixed up the chicken coop so you guys can play. I know, right? Woohoo! Get 'em. Alright, can I just say that chickens, at least these ones, are a lot braver than I thought they were going to be. You know, chickens get a bad rap when it comes to making fun of people, calling them chickens, but these ones braved the storm. I thought they were going to be, you know, hidden away in the top part, but no. You guys just, you know, checked out the storm. There you go. Got plenty of food. Yeah, you took it like a champ. And you gave us some more eggs. Thank you. You good? All right. True story. We were looking to actually trim our apple tree a little while ago. After it, thankfully, it had bared. It bared its apples, and now it's a lot smaller tree, but it'll grow back nonetheless. Pepper's made it alive somehow, unscathed. Cool. Thank you. Pepper. And the farm is going on, man. Yes. Gotta do some weeding, but everything's, for the most part, still going. Can't say the same for Junior and Craig's farm. Did not go so well. But Dave's is looking alright. Yeah. Right, true story. Like, one thing I'm kind of happy about is the rainwater tanks, because they're both overflow. 2 800-gallon tanks, which is good because we didn't get any water the last 2 weeks prior to the hurricane. So we were on our last tank, and yesterday was Friday, and so we didn't get any water because there's no power. So I think we're going to be out of tank water pretty soon. So the fact that we have rainwater is some peace of mind, man. It's nice to know that at the end of the day you have water that you can utilize. And so I'm going to say the rainwater was a good investment. That's all I got to say about that. All right, I'll come back later, okay? All right, good talk. Okay, coming back from the farm, I get story time with Sonia. You ready? Here you go. Go ahead.
I have story time with me. I'm just telling you a little history about Junior.
Okay.
Mr. Out of
Junior.
Verna, weird. Mr. Out of Verna is at carry breakfast after me go bathroom and come back. Some funny burner, nice and peaceful like my little fried breadfruit and my little leftover mackerel from last night. And Junior sitting there drinking his Milo tea and decided to make him Milo tea himself. I said, good. So then my breakfast came and I said, so Sonia, can I show some breakfast? And I said, Junior, why you never come to me and ask me in the kitchen to show the breakfast here? They said, time you wait until I sit down and eat, then you want me to show the breakfast here. That's not work that way then. So in same way, when you come from the back, make your Cheerios, I call Dave. Now I call Craig and ask Craig if he go watch him face and something. He said no. So I asked him, said, can go watch him face and sit and show the food for Junior. Craig, sit down. That's what see how we man Dave play the game. So I saw what a very quite nice and thing until Junior thought about his SpongeBob friend. We call him SpongeBob Road. I don't really care about that nonsense. So I didn't talk him.
Wow.
He's very far himself, so that's why I'm up in here, so. Yeah, I want to walk with him. That's my story. And he said, I wait for you till I come back. I have a heap of money can pay for cheering food.
How much do I get? This is all for me?
Yeah, so I'm pay the cheering food thing, so there you go.
I like the story. I get money. Andre, what up, PJs? How you doing?
Good.
Yeah? You know you're still in your pajamas, right? Yeah? Are you sleepwalking? Are you? This is all a bad dream right now. You know that, right? Like you're actually still asleep? You're awake.
Yeah.
How was the hurricane?
Good.
It was good. You had a good time?
Yeah.
Why? What was good? What was the best part about it?
When it treated you alone.
That was good?
Yes.
Cool. Anything else you want to add? Yeah, you and Junior both sport the pajamas. Waiting for the light to come on, right? Yeah. Did you eat breakfast?
Yeah, coffee.
Ooh. Was it good?
My auntie took to give me.
That's nice of her. Anything else? Do they all live happily ever after? Is that the end?
Yes, sir.
Cool. It's amazing what they discover when there's no internet and no electricity. Like they're salvaging the last iPad that has some battery power on it, and they
No, baby. 2 bills for me. 2 bills. Yeah, like that. Yeah, baby.
They're learning the game of pool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
2 bills for me.
And they're losing allowance money quickly.
2 bills for me. 2 bills from me.
So you get on drugs,
Yeah. 2 bills.
Yes, but they
Gosh.
Yeah.
It's interesting, like the rules of pool. We're trying to get them to understand, like what happens if you hit the white ball in, and then what happens if you hit the 8 ball in or the black ball before the rest. What do you mean the game's over? They're learning something new every day.
You know, I'm going to play with kind of white ball. Suppose I take a lick, get a rest of me, and I take this and eat it. So I don't know where you're playing with after.
Come. Thank you so much. Oh, we forgot the power button. You ready to stay in bed? Go to
Bad news, Andre.
What?
There's only 1% left on the iPad. What are we gonna do?
See?
Craig's gonna charge it somehow. Good luck. Will they finish the game in time?
Yeah. 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 Dancing
1%.
in the dark.
1%. 3,
Watch
2,
out.
1. Ah, it
No,
really
no,
died.
no.
It really died. That's funny.
I mean, you
I
win.
counted 3, 2, 1, and it literally died. Okay, game over.
Reach a line.
Oh.
1, 2, 3, go. Reach a line.
Junior.
Reach a
I
line.
know, right? Wow.
Reach a line. Oh, no, reach a line.
I go collect the eggs. Here's Andre. Right? So we are going to collect the egg. I check on the chickens them before rain start fall. The sky look cloudy. Yeah? Sky look cloudy. The chickens are here. Wow. See the eggs.
Tom.
We done collect the eggs, so we are come out of sauna things. Yes, guys. So see you up there. Yeah.
Hopefully the light comes back soon because it's getting bad. Boy. How do you feel, Craig? How do you feel? Okay, it's getting bad. Craig, the last of the tablet, has died. Along with his soul. Yeah? I know. Times are getting rough, man. All the tablets are gone. Battery life over. All we're left with is a ball that Junior's gonna go play outside with. Hi. We're gonna make it. We're surviving. At least it's not hot out, actually. Thankfully, we got a little bit of rain this morning. I mean, not the rain, but cool temperatures. Hi. Junior, that's enough. I forgot to mention, it's only 9:13 in the morning, and they're already going a little cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs.
Cocoa Puffs.
Are you cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs?
Yeah.
Oh, great. Junior's making a fort. Looks great, Junior. All right. Andre. The domino? Sure. Cool. This is not my fault. Boredom is struck. Apparently, like a week ago, it must have been like a week ago, I was having some fun and what were we doing? Do you remember? We were playing games. Craig decided to, I don't know what you were doing, but I decided to call him, we were playing football. He was, and so I decided to call him, okay, Craig. That's great, Craig. And nobody thought it was a big deal. And now a week later, without any electricity, this is what you get.
Craig.
Now it's funny.
Greg, don't give me out, Greg.
Well, got a few plants left over, so we are going to try and salvage what we have left. Junior and Craig kind of giving up right now, but gotta persevere, gotta persist, gotta plant keywords. So here we go, see what we can do. Nachos. So we are slowly but surely going to make our way to Ochi for a couple of reasons. We're going to charge our devices and see what's going on in Ochi, although rumor has it that power's done. And the first adventure is getting out of the driveway without getting stuck. So I'm going to start because every time we go in the grass, the wheels just start spinning when it's muddy. But we're going to start from here and hope for the best. You ready? That's the sound of excitement right there. Okay, Craig, let me get right on that. Here we go. Go, 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 go. Oh, we're not gonna make it. We're not gonna make it. It's going. It's going. It's going. It's not going. Craig, take two. Not gonna go, man. Sonia, we need your help. Yeah. You want to drive and I'll push? Craig, Craig, go for it. Everybody, no, Craig, I want you to push. You can do it. Huh? You ready? On three. I got the brake on. Hold on. You ready? 1, 2, go. We're gonna make it. We're going. We're going. Almost there. Come on, Craig. Almost there. Yo, we did it. Oh gosh. Now we're going to Ochi. Wow. Might as well get some gas while we can. Why are we getting gas? Because we're going to Ochi.
So your tank made it full up already?
I had about 1/3 of a tank, but I don't know what the situation is on the road or Ochi, so I'd be more confident going with a full tank again. No, thank you. No worries. If you would like me to top off, like they like a little bit extra in it. That's a big thing around here. Why? And now we're going. Alright. So, we were successful getting some chicken feed.
The truck are moving up.
Sonia, I'm going. Sonia's my navigator. Tells me when the gas truck goes on. But we got some chicken feed, and one thing that's been hard to find around here is some bread. So, found some bread at the bread guy. And Craig's gonna put his seatbelt on.
I thought we forgot.
Alright, and now we're going to Ochi. Supposedly. To Ocho Rios, only to find out there is also no power here. No, I should not have gone right, but I did.
It's okay.
We can't go left, dude. This is a one-way street.
Yes.
I was following my wife's directions.
No, but
yeah, I asked, do I go right here? And
you
she
shall go
said,
straight.
okay, well, we'll go around again, I guess. Oh well, take two.
Yeah, but I look like one of friend.
Wow. Alright. Not open? I don't know where you're going, sir. You going?
It's not open.
Yeah?
It's not open.
It says stop, but I'm waiting for this little Suzuki to get out of the way.
Oh my god.
Don't walk under. Oh, which way are we going? Oh, yeah, this way. Alright, anything open in there today?
Almost everything is open.
Is Margaritaville open?
Yes, sir.
The water slides flowing?
We're having a show today as well. The thing is now, we have no more free parking. So over here, it's a pay parking for change.
$300 US?
Well, they can give me $200 US, right?
Oh. Alright, you're gonna pick me up when I'm done, right? And I can't bother walk.
Yeah, man, no problem, man.
No worries. So just
Just
pay.
kidding, man. Change in Jamaican dollars.
Alright, no worries.
Brandy, yeah, boy, Brandy.
Me think a $3 US.
Really, Dave? Wow.
What would I say? If this someone just sick of it,
I know, right?
and Tyler did about $3 US. Oh, and then the man say man give you $2 US. I was saying, it's Tyler licking.
You see, I chose you.
Go on a time.
Alright. Oi! Oi!
Yeah, we're not going to make sure they have this.
I don't know. Where do you guys want to park?
We don't miss it.
Just go park anywhere down there? Anywhere down there? Yeah. Alright. How late you guys open? How late you open?
Repeat.
What time we gotta leave out of here? Is this always gonna?
I leave at 10, but you don't have to leave by 10.
Oh, we'll be. If we're not gone by 10, you better come find us. No worries. Thanks. Can't I just park right here, guys?
No, no, don't park. I'm hotel. I'm not pushing up.
I'm not push a car again, neither.
I'm not pushing on neither.
Have you never pushed none before? So I don't know you're pushing none again. Because you never pushed none that
Go
thing.
back in between the two. Okay, Craig, I'll just watch that car. What? It's a classic.
It's a park.
Yes.
Go over this.
What difference does it make?
Junior, honestly, you give more time to person and
Alright, good news is Margaritaville is open, so apparently we're going to try and figure this out.
what's the problem, kid?
Here we go. Okay, this was not planned, but apparently Margaritaville's open, and it's been a while, so I guess we're going to go. Sonia's leading the way. Alright, good job. So, funny story actually. You want to tell them? Our Margaritaville experience.
Yeah, we find out the hard way that if you have an hurricane and like gone, then you can't use no ATM machine. Then cannot take no card because the machine them not working, and they only take cash. And when they only bring certain amount of cash, then that's the problem.
When someone tells you only to bring a certain amount of cash. How when you decide to fill up on the gas station and you decide to buy chicken feed, but it worked out because
yeah, I brought money with me.
Sonia had her secret 5,000 Jamaican stash.
Well, me they don't bring silver, the one mine say bring it, so I'm just putting on purse.
I'm glad your mind told you to bring extra money. I wish your mind would tell me to bring extra money, but...
Yeah, but you asked me how much money to carry and I said 15, so I thought it would be enough. You never told me that you were going to buy gas and chicken feed. I even told her to leave the chicken feed.
We're not pointing fingers here, dear. We're just stating what happened. So yeah, the short version is...
I'm pointing finger at you because no blame me, because you never told me you were going to buy gas.
I think we still have enough left to get you a drink if you need. That'll make it feel better.
No, we can't drink it.
Oh, that's right. Maybe I'll get one. Yeah. But either way, the kids got food so that they could get access to the beach and to the pool. And Junior's gonna dig a hole for us as we enjoy the evening. Good job, Junior. Working hard. Oh. Junior, you good? Okay. What happened?
A big crab.
A big, how big? How big? How big? Well, we could have had it for dinner, dude. What do you mean?
They bite me.
They don't bite. They have claws.
Oh, they bite claws.
I don't think so, man. They have claws. All right. Are you going down the slide?
Yeah.
Then on the life jacket.
Whoa.
Then done?
Well, you gotta go look. All right, we'll be here chilling. Bye. Love you too. Kids. Wives.
What?
Nothing.
So, we make one something so that I can show you. Oh yeah. I love you.
Oh, just when we were leaving, did you see that sign? They've got sushi here now. Sonia, we have a reason to come back. And not bring the kids.
No, mommy, I come.
Why you come on up?
Or maybe bring the kids. We'll leave them at Margaritaville in the pool and we'll go eat sushi. Right? Win-win. Junior. Anything else to add? All right, good talk. I love how you got this all figured out, man. All right, get belts. We are heading out.
Not even have on him belt yet.
Why?
Not even junior.
All right, we are leaving Ochi.
You not himself up to like you can't have on nothing.
Okay, we're all here to have a good time. I like the color of that Suzuki. Is that weird? And back to civilization with maybe a special stop before we get home. Everybody ready?
Yes.
In my mind, I thought you guys would be like, yay! But I guess you're full of bread. So it's getting bad when you buy a loaf of bread before you leave Highgate because bread's been kind of scarce lately and they're eating it on the way home already. Home sweet home, here we go. So, bad news is the camera died in the car, so the kids wanted to charge their iPads and phones, and Sonia's phone's at 100%. But good news is we saved the peppers, brought them inside, so they're all happy and dandy, and just saw. I think we found our new hope, man. Yep, the peppers are starting, dude. All of those are bearing, and those, and these are all flowering. And this one all flowering. Hello, how you doing? That's a lot of flowers, Pepper. We'll see how you do. So, since the boys went swimming, I decided the peppers needed to take a bath as well. Got them rehydrated and looking forward to some sunshine hopefully the next few days. Supposedly the power is not coming on for a few more days, so it's going to be an interesting experience. Bucket baths. Oh, don't miss them, I'm not going to lie. Peppers. Right, well, it's not exactly candlelight, but the selfie light actually works really well to see everybody. Cool. So, had fun today. Another day. Rumor has it, the lady at Margaritaville said we won't get power until maybe next week. But for right now, we got fish and rice. So, sweet.
Thanks for bringing to Margaritaville and thanks for buying food. And thanks for cooking.
Thank you, Sonia, for cooking and Craig.
You're welcome.
And thank you, Tyler and Sonia, for bringing me to Margaritaville. And thank you.
Thank you for cooking this food. And we go to Margaritaville and swim in the ocean.
Okay, thank you, Craig, for today. It was lovely that you helped me fry fish and helped me come back and help me cook dinner and tearing up the fish before everybody done and then can't wait, but it's okay. Okay, thanks a lot and God bless this food and bless the hand that provide.
And make like combo.
Make like come back sometime before.
Well, rain's still falling, just like Junior, fast asleep. Oh, bright light. got the mosquito deterrents, and everybody's headed to bed. Another day without power. Greg, want to say goodnight?
Good night.
Junior, want to say goodnight?
Good night.
Dave? Good night.
You know,